Welcome to my channel, Quotes and Wisdoms. We are here to share with you the most beautiful quotes and wisdom that inspire us in our daily life. Don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all our latest updates. We welcome your comments and opinions. They make us happy and help us provide better content. Thank you for your continuous support. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who is widely held as one of the most influential scientists. Best known for developing the theory of relativity, Einstein also made important contributions to quantum mechanics. His mass-energy equivalence formula, which arises from relativity theory, has been called the world's most famous equation. He received the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his services to theoretical physics, and especially for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect, a pivotal step in the development of quantum theory. His intellectual achievements and originality have made the word Einstein broadly synonymous with genius. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. Any man who can drive safely while kissing a pretty girl is simply not giving the kiss the attention it deserves. No amount of experimentation can ever prove me right. Single experiment can prove me wrong. You can't blame gravity for falling in love. There are two ways to live. You can live as if nothing is a miracle. You can live as if everything is a miracle. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. A table, a chair, a bowl of fruit, and a violin. What else does a man need to be happy? The value of a man should be seen in what he gives, and not in what he is able to receive. The hardest thing to understand in the world is the income tax. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. Our task must be to free ourselves by widening our circle of compassion to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature and its beauty. When you are courting a nice girl, an hour seems like a second. When you sit on a red-hot cinder, a second seems like an hour. That's relativity. Whoever undertakes to set himself up as a judge of truth and knowledge is shipwrecked by the laughter of the gods. We still do not know 1,000% of what nature has revealed to us. In matters of truth and justice, there is no difference between large and small problems, for issues concerning the treatment of people are all the same. If you are out to describe the truth, leave elegance to the tailor. Before God, we are all equally wise and equally foolish. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Only two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought. World War IV will be fought with sticks and stone. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Common sense is the collection of prejudices acquired by age 18. Nationalism is an infantile disease. It is the measles of mankind. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death. Everyone should be respected as an individual, but no one idolized. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. Intellectuals solve problems, geniuses prevent them. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. The gift of fantasy has meant more to me than my talent for absorbing positive knowledge. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Question that sometimes drives me hazy. Am I, or are the others crazy? Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel. We welcome your comments and opinions.